Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we'll see how to use Google Slides with the very basic tools. First of all, we'll rename it if we would like to. Basic PPT. Now you have the slide here, the main area. On the left hand side, you will have the navigational pan where all of your slides will be shown, and this main area will be for us to work on. So first of all, as it says, click here to add the title. I will add the title Kingdom of Bahrain. If you'd like to add any subtitle here, you can add it, or you can just simply click on the line and you can delete it. Now we need to add a new slide. We need to add a slide. For the next slide, we can go up to the plus sign. We can choose the slide style. I will select the title only slide. In here, I can add up here flag of Bahrain. Now in here, since we have added flag of Bahrain, we should add a picture of a Bahrain's flag. How we can do that? It's very simple, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Word or Google Docs or Google Slides. All of them, they have the similar option. You'll go to insert, you'll go to image. If you have a picture available on your computer, you will use upload from a computer. In this case, we'll use search the web. I will go up here and I will type in here flag of Bahrain. I'll search for it and it will give us many options. I will choose the one I like the most. Maybe this one I like. I can click here, insert, and within few seconds the flag image will appear. I can click and drag wherever I wish to. Maybe I can bring it here. I'll click on the text. We don't need this big box, so we can reduce the size. We can change the orientation of the text by sliding it down. We can change it into center aligned to make it more visible in a nice way. We can make it bold, and maybe we can make it italic. We can change the size, maybe to smaller size or to the bigger size if we wish to. But in this case, the underline is not looking nice. We'll remove the underline. Flag of Bahrain. Move it up a little bit. Looks good. We'll go up here to change this writing style to comforter style. Looks more better. And let's change the color of the word Bahrain to red color. Highlight the text, go to this text color and change it to red color. We can go up to the plus sign again. We can choose what type of slide we need. For the next thing, again, I can choose a title slide only. Here I can type in map of Bahrain. Again, we'll go to insert, go to image, search on the web. We can just change it to map of Bahrain and it will show us different maps. I will choose the one which suits my question nicely, and I can choose maybe this one. Here, click insert. Within few seconds the image is going to appear. It is appearing here. I can move up here and I can resize if I wish to. Align it wherever it is required. But reduce the size of the text box. Make it in center. Align it in the center again. Make it bold. And maybe I can increase the size a little bit. Again, I will choose the color of Bahrain as red color. Our second slide is done, which is actually the third one. We'll click on the plus sign again. This time we'll choose two columns with two titles. We'll click a slide here. We'll add up here beautiful buildings of Bahrain. Let's highlight the text, make it in center again. We'll come up here and we'll insert the picture from the search web again. Type in Bahrain, you'll find a lot of images here. This image looks nice. I will click insert. The image should appear within the box. If it is not coming there, I can resize it and fix it somewhere here. Looks good to me. On the previous box, I can just click and delete it. I can again go to insert image, search from the web, Bahrain, yes. Some other pictures, maybe this picture we can add here. We can click insert. Let's resize the picture a little bit more maybe. Click on the text box behind it, click delete, move the image here, and we have two beautiful buildings of Bahrain. Again, select the text, the alt text, make it bold, highlight the text Bahrain, change the color to red, and we are ready to go. Now let's talk about the themes. Once you click anywhere in the empty space of the slide, you will see these options as a background, layout, theme, or transition. We're going to change the theme and we'll select a theme which is more appealing to us. Maybe let's check this slide. Okay, looks good. Maybe this one, much better. Our text and pictures are standing out more in this theme. So we have learned how to add a theme, and we have learned how to add a pictures. We have learned how to add the text and change the color of the text and make it bold even. Just for instance, I would like to change the background only on one slide, not the theme, just the background. So I can click on the background. I can choose a definite color here, or I can choose an image if I have from my computer, but this time I am going to choose a different color only just to show you the example. Click there, click done. Now this is a little bit darker in color and this is with lighter in color, so we can change the theme color also, but we don't need it. We right click it, we delete the slide. That's it for today.